Hey guys, so glad to be here, so glad that you're here. I have a goal today, and that goal is to shoot a video that looks like it was taken in all one shot. It won't be, it'll be multiple shots, multiple takes, but I want it to look like it's all one shot, and I want it to be like the camera's just flying through the air by itself, almost like it's on a roller coaster, just flying all over the place. And we're gonna do that using the GoPro Max. If you've watched my channel very long, you've probably realized I really like the GoPro Max on this long selfie stick that I have. So my first shot is gonna be walking along here, and I wanna go through the middle of this tree. As we get up to the tree, I'm gonna reach around, grab the stick, and keep walking. Now, if we look back at the GoPro footage, this looks really bad because it gets to the tree and then it stops, it shakes around, then it keeps going. We obviously don't want this in our finished product, so we're gonna go into that clip in post. We're gonna cut out that section where it stops at the tree. We're gonna cut that section out, pull the two clips together, and then it'll look like this. That still doesn't look that great. There's this obvious little jump there. And so in the finished product, we're gonna end up speeding up during that section, also adding some motion blur to help cover up that transition. Before we get to that, I have to go finish filming the rest of the video. Now we're gonna keep repeating the same process. So as I get up to this railing, I'm gonna bring the GoPro up through, but then I can't keep walking, I can't even reach around. I'll actually have to walk around, restart the video with the GoPro right here, and I'll be standing on the other side then, be able to swing it around the way I want to. And right as the GoPro is coming through, that video will cut, and it'll restart with the next video on the other side. Gonna walk along the porch, reach out and back through the door, bring that GoPro up to the next railing. Now I'm gonna have to walk upstairs. Gonna put that GoPro back through the railing, bring it through, walk around, back down the stairs, out the door, through the railing again, and go running off across the field. Now I've imported all my clips to my computer. I've brought them down onto the timeline here, and I've trimmed them to the right length so that they begin and end at just the right times. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that looks like. This is far from being perfect. It's pretty rough. We really could have spent a lot more time trying to make each video line up better when we were filming it, but that's okay because I wanted this to be a lot faster pace. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this whole thing up, and it's gonna look a lot better. Let's watch it over again. And that is how you make an infinite flying or roller coaster shot. I don't even know what you call that. I'm just gonna call it the roller coaster effect. If you guys like this videos, there's lots more videos like this on my channel. Make sure to check that out and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.